Here is a Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door, and right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem. Put one finger there and then push it left and lift up the hood. Right there. This is how the secondary release lever works. Lift up the hood and this hood stays in place, being supported by the two hood struts right over there. Once the hood is open, that's where the engine air filter is. All we have to do is just grab this flap and pull it, and now that's the filter. Just unlock this thing on the side and the other one on the other side as well, and just grab the center part and pull the filter out of the air box, and there you go. Top part of the filter is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. Outside air comes from the bottom, gets filtered, and then from the top goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon. And now before you put it in, if it looks dirty like this, just clean it up before you put the new filter back inside over there. Now let's just go ahead and put the filter in. Make sure it's positioned the way I'm showing, and those two locks on the side, they're in the unlock position. Right, now just slide this down all the way and it should just go right in. There you go. Now there's locks on the side, switch them to the lock position. Good. Make sure it's not moving. That's good. And put this flap down and press it down to secure, and that's pretty much it. To close the hood, simply push it down and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.